Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 24 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was, who has won 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction? Douglas Stott, N. Yadav, Chetan Bhagat, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Douglas Stott. Remember, the answer is Douglas Stott. Recently, the Scottish writer Douglas Stott has won the 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction. He has been awarded for his debut novel, Sugi Van. Remember the novel Sugi Van. Okay, this question is very much important, so concentrate to these questions. First question. Okay, our second question was, Madhya Pradesh government has fixed minimum support price MSP for how many minor forest produce? 25, 28, 32, or option D, 45. The correct answer here is option C, 32. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has fixed minimum support price for 32 minor forest produce. It also includes, remember, Giloy, Kalmek, Kudmar, and Jamun seeds. Okay. Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Madhya Pradesh. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who became the fourth nation to get IMO nod for navigation satellite system? India, US, Russia, or option D, China? The correct answer here is option A, India. Recently, our country India became the fourth nation to get the IMO nod for navigation satellite system. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, IRNSS, recently recognized by International Maritime Organization. Recently, our country India is recognized by International Maritime Organization. Okay, and also the three country who became notified by the IMO is US, Russia, and China. These four countries recently recognized by IMO for the navigation satellite system. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. What is the world's most expensive city according to EIU report? Hong Kong, Paris, Zurich, or option D, all of these? The correct answer here is option D, all of these. Recently, the Economist Intelligence Unit, EIU abbreviation is, remember, Economic Intelligence Unit, recently released its biannual Worldwide Cost of Living, WCOL, Worldwide Cost of Living report of the world's most expensive city in 2020, and those are Hong Kong, Paris, and Zurich. Hong Kong from China, Paris from France, and Zurich from Switzerland is the most expensive city according to EIU. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Second trilateral maritime exercise SEATMAX 20 held in which sea? Recently going on in which ocean or which sea? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Andaman Sea. Okay, option C is correct here. The second edition of India, Singapore, and Thailand trilateral maritime exercise SEATMAX 20 was conducted from in the Andaman Sea. Remember the trilateral maritime exercise between India, Singapore, and Thailand. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has successfully launched Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite? NASA, ESA, both A and B, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is both A and B. Recently, the US Space Agency, NASA, National Aeronautics Space Administration, and ESA, European Space Agency, successfully launched Copernicus Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite. Okay, you can see here the image of Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich Frelik satellite. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Who is the chairman of 15th G20 summit? Saudi Arabia, Russia, India, or option D, Oman? The correct answer here is option A, Saudi Arabia. Okay, the 15th G20 summit was held under the chairmanship of Saudi Arabia. King Salman bin Abdul Al Saud of the Saudi Arabia chaired the meeting. Okay, you can see here the image of King of Saudi Arabia. Name is King Salman bin Abdullah Al Saud. Okay, is the King of Saudi Arabia. Next question. Who has launched its first digital app, Anand? SBI, LIC, HDFC, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. Recently, Life Insurance Corporation of India has launched a digital application for agent for onboarding to get a life insurance policy. Okay, and the name of the application is Anand. Okay, you can see here the image where the launching of this application. Next question. India's first most garden built in which state? Uttarakhand, Odisha, Bihar, or option D, Chhattisgarh? The correct answer here is the most garden. It is built off in Uttarakhand. So option A is correct here. And India's first most garden built off in the Nainital district. That in which district? The Nainital district of Uttarakhand. Okay, built off in. You can see here the image of the garden, most garden. Uttarakhand is in huge. The capital of Uttarakhand is, there is two capital. Dehradun is the winter capital. Garrison is the summer capital. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Baby Rani Moria is the Governor of Uttarakhand. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has been honored with Aditya Bikram Birla Kalasikar Puraskar? Amitabh Bachchan, Nasiruddin Shah, Paresh Rawal, or option D, none of these? The correct answer is, as per you see the image of veteran Bollywood actor Nasiruddin Shah, so option B is correct here. Recently, the veteran actor Nasiruddin Shah has been honored with the 2020 Aditya Bikram Birla Kalasikar Puraskar at annual Sangeet Kala Kendra Award. Okay, you can see here the image of Nasiruddin Shah. Next question. Sheikh Khaja Hussain passed away. He was related to which field? Writing, sports, medicine, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, writing. The noted Telugu poet, journalist, and Kendriya Sahitya Academy awardee Sheikh Khaja Hussain recently passed away. You can see here the image of Sheikh Khaja Hussain. Okay, Sheikh Khaja Hussain in the field of writing, poet, and the journalism, a very famous Telugu personality. Okay. Next, as per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, so try to answer more in comment section. Okay, our first question is, Ashok Kumar appointed as Director General of Police of which state? Our second question is, who has launched Har Ghar Jal Yojana? Please try to answer in the comment section in a comprehensive way, in a detailed manner. Okay, thereby regular practice is done by you, and it is very much helpful for you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.